Welcome back to another video. If you would, hit that like button, that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I greatly appreciate it. It just helps out the channel. But today I'm going to talk about these brake boosters. Today I'm changing the brake booster out on the 2009 Nissan Sentra. This is the old one here. But anyway, this is the one I just took out. And this is the junkyard one that I'll be putting in. It's not hard to put them in and take them out. It's just that it's kind of time consuming. First you want to do is take off the master cylinder. And after you take the master cylinder off, you have to take your tube off here, your vacuum tube. And then I'm gonna show y'all underneath the underneath the dash, where you have to go and take off these 4 bolts, and you also have a little pin that goes through here with a cotter pin that goes through that. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like underneath underneath the hood right now, so y'all can kind of get a general idea. All right, so this is what it looks like underneath the hood, where the engine bay is. You have 4 holes there. You just put it back in the hole, and you have your main hole there for the shaft to go through. I'm gonna take y'all underneath the dash in the car and show y'all where all this is located. All right, I'm here underneath the dash. Up here there's a nut you have to take off, 13 mil. And behind here, you have a 13 mil as well. And you have 2 on the other side. I'm gonna take a picture of that and post it up. You should see it up in the corner somewhere. But you have those 2. And then, well, it's 4 bolts all together. So once you put them on, there's a hole right there where the cotter pin go through. It's like a pin and a cotter pin. I'm gonna show y'all what that looks like. It's hard to get a good angle underneath here, so sorry about that. But this is the pin that comes out, and this is where the cotter pin goes in right there. But this is limited space, so it's kind of hard to just show y'all everything. But like I said, it's only 4 bolts you have to put in, and that the pin for the shaft, and then put the cotter pin in. I hope I helped y'all, and if so, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. Y'all have a good day.